Here I got more packages. Got one from eBay and one from AliExpress, I think. Got the shipping labels all marked out. Tried to get them off the. But finally got a permanent marker on hand for free. Found it in the basement. And it works. So let's unbox it. Ordered another Apple charger, iPhone. This is the one I got it broke. She took a good one out of like my parents' room. I don't care, but I got an extra spare. In case if the one I have, like I'm using like right now, breaks. This one works. It's an authentic cable. Don't buy off-brand ones. These ones are very good. They do last. I just use them like roughly. I don't think they're cheaply made. Oh my god, why did I have to use an excessive amount of bubble wrap? Wow. It's got some small speakers. They're modular ones, very tiny ones. Let's focus. I'm gonna pause and open every one of these. Show you. They're very small. So far they look okay. Camera's being out of focus with that, but very small. The big ones might be okay. Or good quality. Here are the first pair. These are tiny as fuck. I'm sure they're good. They're cute. Definitely not gonna blow them. I don't think they're gonna have bass at all. They're good for treble, of course. Got two of these. Here's the second pair. Came in okay condition, I think. This looks like this is coming off. I have to get that back into place. Okay, remove it. I'm sure the sound quality is okay. This might be okay. The test speaker. Sorry for the sneezing. Focus. Came in good shape. Best of them. Probably gonna ask for a refund because these are like $2 for like a pair. It's not like that expensive. This would be like $1 and it at least worth. So $1 is not like a big deal. If it was $5, then I would like request for a whole refund. But anyways, at least we got 5 perfectly good speakers and 1 like partially damaged speaker that probably works. So yeah, that's it. Thanks for watching.